Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct, and don't forget to subscribe right below. Our YouTube channel will be showcasing this Fittipaldi wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. So check this one out. This one's Fittipaldi forged. This one's called the FTF501BM. So it's black machine for the BM. Whenever this wheel, well, the size of this wheel is 22 by 10, negative 19, dual drilled, so it's 6 on 135, 6 on 5.5 for Chevy and Ford, and 106 is the center bore. Whenever you shop for this wheel, this is the part number. So it's FTF 501 2210 6353, and then that's a 9N19BM-L. So yeah, it is a 19. So yeah, same wheel, same everything. I'm gonna pop this guy open. I'm gonna bring it down so you guys can see. This thing's pretty big. So I think Fittipaldi does nice like forged stuff. It's a cast aluminum wheel, but it's just more of a high end. There you go. So here's your FTF 501, and it's a black, gloss black machine on the inside. Nice curve to the wheel. It has like a concave style, and then a lip on the outer edge. Let me give you the lip size on this. So from the face of the wheel to the edge of the barrel, you're looking at 2.5 inches. So, and then it's still with a small concave to it. Machined. I love this finish right here. Has like just like the machining on it, and then the curve to it, so it kind of like gives it a more of a three-dimensional look. The center cap actually pops in, so whatever lug nut hole you don't use, you cover up with the center cap. Fittipaldi, they nailed it with this one. TPMS sensor is compatible, and then conical C lug nuts will go right in. So, and then you do need hub rings from 106 to, let's say if you have a Ford 87, or if you have a Chevy 78, we do provide them for free. This will be hub centric for Toyota though, but there you go. Great looking style, guys. If you guys are interested in this Fittipaldi wheel or any other of their other styles, feel free to give us a shout. And I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Thank you.